Hi, everyone. I am Alexandra Wąsowska, National Director of Education for Borghese. Today, I will be introducing you to Neutrals to Glow. This 4-piece set has all the essentials you need for any occasion, whether to be your daily makeup or a more glamorous look. So let's get to it. We'll start with Splendor Brightening Makeup. Splendor Brightening Makeup has a light diffusing pigment and this really nice subtle shimmer that helps to brighten up your skin, and it looks flattering on any complexion. So how do we use it? Well, you can use Splendor in many different ways. For the most natural sheer look, I recommend mixing it into your moisturizing cream. So take your moisturizer and a drop of Splendor. Now mix it together, mix it into your moisturizing cream, and then lightly apply it all over your skin. It will help to hide all the little skin's imperfections, gives this beautiful glow to your skin. If you have any redness, it will also help to cover that. Now, for a more dewy finish, you can also mix it into your foundation. And if you want it as a highlighter, just mix it on the high points on your skin. So where sun naturally hits your skin, right? So you can do this on top of your cheekbones, both cheekbones. You can also apply it right under that brow bone for a beautiful highlight. Then at the top of the forehead, again, where the sun naturally hits your skin, a small amount top of your nose, above the lips, and on your chin. And we have a beautifully highlighted skin. The next step is the Restorative Eye Sheet Mask. The Restorative Eye Sheet Mask is a really great, quick pick-me-up. It has a coffee extract that helps to firm your skin, but it also re-energizes your skin. So I call this my double shot of espresso for the skin. It has the ability to nourish your skin. It revitalizes your skin. It also brightens up your skin tone. How do we use it? Use it on a cleansed skin and leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. However, my beauty hack is to use it over your makeup. It has the ability to quickly rehydrate that dry, dehydrated skin, but it also leaves your skin with this beautiful, useful, well-rested look. How do we use that? Remove the eye sheet mask from the pouch, then remove this protective film, and here is the mask. Very easy application. Put the mask on your skin. Start right where the nose ends and take it all the way up where we have the crow's feet. This is one, and here is the second. The key to this application over your makeup is to make sure you remove it before the serum completely dries into your skin. So about 5 minutes, depending how dry that skin under your eye area is. There you have it. After 5 minutes, just remove the eye sheet mask and you will see there is a little serum left. Use your ring finger, pat the serum into your skin, and as you can see, it did not move the makeup. It's a really great quick pick-me-up. You can also keep it in the fridge for that extra cooling sensation. Next step in this kit, we have the Borghese Eye Defining Waterproof Eye Pencil. For a more natural look, let's start with this eye. Just apply it into your lash line. Start in the middle of your eye, Then take it down to that inner corner and take it outward. Don't worry if it's not perfect. I always recommend using a little smudge brush that you can then smudge it into the eye area. For more defined look, take your eye pencil and apply it into that waterline. So right into the lashes, into the lash line. So that is a little bit more of a defined eye. You can already see the difference between the one with the eye pencil versus the other. Now for a more glamorous look, if you would like to use it as a smoky eye, if you would like to create a smoky eye, you can also do that by applying just a little bit more, very light strokes. Apply that eye pencil into the eyelid. And then once you have that pencil on the eyelid, make sure you move quickly because this formula does dry fast into the skin and then it stays put. And then you just want to use your brush again and just smudge that eye pencil very gently, very lightly into that eyelid. This formula is transfer resistant, so it won't end up on top of your eyelid or underneath of your eyelid. It is an 8-hour, up to 8-hour long wear, and it glides very easily, as you could have seen it in the application. Here it is, a very soft, smoky eye look. You can again see the difference between the eye with the pencil versus the one without. To finish your look, let's not forget about those beautiful lips. Shine Infusion lip gloss. This color is called Devotion. It soothes and conditions your lip with aloe vera and vitamin E, while it locks in that color for long wear. For a more sheer application, just take it in the middle of your lips. If you would like more of an evening look, then apply it all over your lips, making sure you outline that lip area. This lip gloss is great size to take it on a go. So it's great for those holiday parties. So there you have it, a soft, glam look for any occasion during the holiday times. Thank you for watching.